These are the big four groups of properties or factors that determine the ultimate process performance and cost. On one hand, we are talking about operational parameters. On the other hand, we are talking about the design parameters. Let's start with the operational parameters. Operational parameters are your inputs. For example, raw materials you use. It can be density, viscosity, dissolution rates. There are a lot of properties of the inputs. On the other hand, you have your very important process parameters. For example, your temperature, your pressure, dosing locations of certain chemicals or certain solutes or solvents, flow rates, important process parameters. And then you have human factors, such as, who is operating this? CFD can actually be used to do what we call what-if testing. So you can start playing with all of these single process parameters virtually without having to test them in practice. It means bubble sizes, particle sizes, viscosity, concentrations, or any other operational parameter, for example, flow rates. Let's go to the design side. Very, very important. Again, you can use CFD to play with your design. What are design impacts or factors? One very important one is the reactor. If you have a reactor or a vessel, size, scale, the type and geometry. Do you use baffles? Where do you introduce your products or things like that? Certain systems have transfer going on. For example, gas, liquid, mass transfer or dissolution. And sometimes you also have mixing equipment. So all of these things are critical for the performance. Again, with CFD, you can actually play with the size, play with the scale, and test different types of equipment and assess the impact on your performance.